Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Moreno Calix, graduate student here at Houston Baptist University, and this is my course portfolio. For my course development, I decided to focus on professional development specifically as it applies to incoming secondary mathematics educators. So, this course has been very meaningful for me for various reasons. For starters, this is my third year as a geometry teacher at a public school here in Houston, but it is actually going to be my first year teaching algebra in addition to geometry. In addition, I'm happy to have been appointed as a first year teacher mentor for one of my colleagues. This has given me the opportunity to reflect on the days in which I was a first year teacher and realize just how far I have come in my teaching career and the more I have to learn. Furthermore, this also made me think about some of the things that I wish I would have learned more about as it applied to my content area while I was preparing to become an educator. I realized that teacher retention is a problem affecting our communities, as sometimes very capable and exceptional educators decide to leave the profession due to the demands of the field. In mathematics, many teachers, especially the rookie teachers, face a completely different world once they enter their first year in the classroom. Sometimes, a little more information can help teachers be better prepared in a way that makes them both more effective and also allows them to reach more students. Therefore, having this in mind, I decided to gather all of these topics and build a course upon the idea of helping incoming mathematics educators be successful. It was challenging as I had to select the topics that ultimately made the most sense in terms of course sequence in order to maintain cohesion. The outcomes, modules, and descriptions are listed at the very top of the page, right here. The modules consist of the importance of mathematical literacy, fostering a growth mindset, use of technology in math classrooms, intentional differentiation, cooperative learning, stimulating critical thinking through verbal and written communication, assessment and reteaching in the mathematics classroom, and improving and reflective pedagogic practices. Below are the course materials divided into 4 different sections: the reading and study resources, audio video resources, authentic assessment, and peer engagement and collaboration. To access each file, all you have to do is click on the clipboard below. So here are the reading and study resources. They are all hyperlinked and organized according to modules, and their intended purpose is linked to the related course outcomes. Here are the audio and visual resources, and again, all of the resources are linked, and for the videos there is closed caption and transcript available. Here are the authentic assessment and planning activities, and they're organized in several sections by module, and they include the purpose and goal, the parameters, the prompt, and of course when the assignment is due for each particular module. In addition, I included some rubrics. That way students know exactly what they will be assessed on. Here are the peer engagement and collaboration opportunities. And every week there is a new topic related to whatever the specific theme of the module is. So you can see it includes the purpose, the parameters, the prompt for each module. And of course, I included a general rubric, and this is a rubric that applies to the discussion boards and what entitles an outstanding discussion board in comparison to other categories. I want to take this opportunity to also state how grateful I am for the feedback that I received throughout this term from all of you. And honestly, I feel like the feedback has allowed me to improve my work and also expand and clarify my own ideas. Once again, thank you so much. I decided to close out this page with a quote from Brad Henry. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. I think that educators, regardless of what school they work at, grade level or experience level, bring so much to the learning community. And above everything, I want the intended audience for this course to realize how rewarding and beautiful the teaching career is and the impact it can create for all of our students. Once again, thank you and God bless you.